Alright, let's check out StrongNode. So one of you on my Twitter asked me to cover this as this is one of your holdings, so I'll check it out for you. If you do want me to check out any of your altcoins, then leave a link or a comment below on what you want me to cover. So right now I can see there's basically no market structure holding up for this coin. I mean, we would have broken below everything here. We've had a strong break below this, way below the 618, we're way below the 786 now. I mean, we literally just fell through it like a rock. I mean, we didn't even bounce on it. We poked our head above it for, one daily candle and just kept falling straight down. So there's a lot of selling volume coming in for this coin right now. If we see what's happening on the smaller time frames, yeah, really not too much. I mean, tiny bounces from here, but I didn't see where we were getting stuck from, so I came over to CoinGecko. I think if we come over to the max. So this is just when it was listed on KuCoin. You can see it's been rallying since it was listed on KuCoin, but it looks like we're coming back to the market structure lows down here. So at least on the KuCoin chart, the potential bottom would be down here at 76, which is a very hefty drop from what we've got now. Like another 70% drop, but it's not entirely off the table because I mean, this coin has already fallen from 1,200. I don't actually know if this is a coin or a token. I should probably check that out before I post this video, but it will say in the title whether it's a coin or a token anyway. So this is almost 80% down from the high. If we get rid of this, so on CoinMarketCap, if we come to the if we come to the max chart, take a little snippet of this chart here, you can see we had a low at 23, a low at 16.5 and a low at 17. So I think 16.5 is the lowest this coin went to. So if we take that back, this only goes to 53. So if we take a micro fib, 16.5, try and get it nice and accurate. See if this is actually where we're getting stuck on. I need to zoom in. So 16.5. Oh, that's so annoying. Alright, let me zoom in. Because I'm trying to see if we're actually getting stuck at this level or if this is just, we're about to fall through it. Okay, so 17, close enough. Now if we take this to the all-time high up here, where the other fib is, line that up nicely. Now, I mean, no matter which way you chop it, we're still below the 786 at 273. We've fallen below it by like, $30 or $40 now. Do have strong selling volume coming in. I mean, the RSI and the MFI, it looks like it's on its deathbed. The money flow indicator bounced up to 20, and now it looks like it's just coming down to, close to 10 or 0 again. So same with the RSI, it looks like it's about to take a plummet. So yeah, I mean, in my opinion, this coin doesn't really look too good. So this is just my own opinion on this. There's so much selling volume coming in. There's barely a day where there's any green volume. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I see for this coin. This coin is very unchartable as there's no trend line that defines this. We're below the 200-day moving average. Considering how short the 200-day is, I doubt there'll be a 200-week moving average. Let's find out. 200-week, no 200-week. Do we have a 100-week? No, we don't even have that. So I mean, the best thing that we've got really is the 200-day moving average, and we're absolutely miles below the 200-day. We're below the 618, the 786. Even on KuCoin, we're below the 786 from the low on CoinGecko, which was down here at like 16 or so. We're below this this macro fib, sorry, as well at 271. So if we do manage to push above 271, at least in the short term, then you could potentially see a rally up to 316. In my opinion, I wouldn't be getting into this coin at all. This coin doesn't really look too good to me, or token. I did research it a little bit, and it seems like they're cutting rewards. So I kind of see why people are selling off this coin a lot. I think this is like a strong node type coin. So you buy nodes and but yeah, I mean, all in all, we're below the 786, we're below all of the market structure, below 200-day, MFI and RSI look like shit, so yeah, I mean, this coin looks like it's about to come down to 74 for me, and if we don't hold 74, like I said, I mean, I don't even want to predict 16.5, but you know, at least on KuCoin, 56 seems to be the bottom, so this seems to be the more sensible target to use. So, you know, all in all, I probably would expect us to come down a little bit further, especially if we don't very quickly jump above the 786. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I see for Strong Node. This coin is pretty much on its deathbed right now. So yeah, that's all I see. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.